Hey, today I'm back with another study. This is a recent publication in the ISME journal, which is the International Society for Microbial Ecology. This study was published in February of 2021, so it's very recent. And this looked at the hypothesis that non-nutritive sweeteners enhance the transfer of antimicrobial resistance genes between bacteria. Saccharine, sucralose, aspartame, and acesulfame potassium change the microbial composition of the gut similar to the way that antibiotics do. Now, 700,000 people die every year from antimicrobial resistant infections. Generally, the antimicrobial resistance is caused by overuse or incorrect use of antibiotics, but it can also be caused by any antimicrobial product. So all your hand sanitizers, your antimicrobial soaps, all of the antimicrobial products can lead to antimicrobial resistance. And bacteria have this unique ability to be able to exchange genetic information between different bacteria. So they can actually give each other genes for resistance. And that furthers the antibiotic resistance into new bacteria. So when you take an antibiotic that you really don't need, or you don't finish a course of antibiotics, or you use a lot of antimicrobial products, the weaker bacteria are killed off, but the stronger, more resistant ones continue to propagate. And then they're able to share that resistance with other bacteria. Now, non-nutritive sweeteners have been approved by the FDA for use in foods and beverages and in packages for you to be able to sweeten your own foods and beverages. And they are widely used worldwide. Global consumption is estimated to be 117,000 metric tons every year. Now, these products are not metabolized when you consume them. They go straight through the system and are eliminated in essentially the same form as when you consumed them. And they can even be detected in subsurface water, groundwater, and in wastewater. Sadly, these products have also been associated with urinary bladder tumors, glucose intolerance, and even DNA damage in bacteria. So this study concluded that all 4 of these sweeteners do promote antimicrobial gene transfer at both environmentally and clinically relevant concentrations. Now, this is important because if you really look at a lot of studies when they're looking at various compounds, they often study concentrations that are like 100 times larger than any person would ever consume. But this study looked at relevant concentrations. So they looked at the levels that we detect in the environment, in our groundwater, in the wastewater, and they also looked at the concentrations that are naturally found in a person after consuming these products. So this is a highly relevant study because they did look at relevant concentrations. Now, clearly there's more research that needs to be done in this area, but this is a brand new negative consequence to consuming these products. So not only can they alter your microbiome, which is critical to your immune system, your detoxification pathways, your vitamin synthesis, your digestion and metabolism, but they also impact the bacteria in the environment, and therefore they can impact the microbiome of every living creature on the planet. So the bottom line is these products are not food. So they're non-nutritive, which generally means they don't have any calories or they're very low calorie, but that does not mean they don't have risks. They've been linked to disease, and now we know they alter the microbes and make them even more pathogenic. So even harder to get rid of if you get infected with one. The earth and all living beings cannot survive without microbes. So if you're seeking optimal health, and I'm pretty sure you are or you wouldn't be watching this video, I highly suggest that you avoid all products with saccharin, aspartame, sucralose, which is Splenda, or acesulfame K. If you're looking for a different sweetener alternative that doesn't have all these negative consequences, try raw organic, preferably local honey, manuka honey, pure maple syrup, pure organic stevia extract, or even monk fruit. If you found this information helpful, please share this video with others who need to hear it. Until next time, be well.